Today we have a 2020 GT350 at the shop. These stripes are going to be removed and we're going to be adding some custom stripes to it as well as some subtle touches. This is a shadow black with a Kona blue stripe combo. Really nice color combination in my opinion, but what we're doing to it, we'll take it one step up. We're also going to be adding some color to those fender emblems, going to be adding some color to these calipers, and we're going to be blacking out the side markers, as well as adding some color to the emblems on the front and on the rear. But obviously the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to give this vehicle a wash as it came in just a few minutes ago. Alright, so after we washed the vehicle, we started removing the stripes, and upon removal of the stripes, we noticed that the front area, the film was separating from the adhesive. So if you look into this area here, there's a whole bunch of adhesive that was left behind. Now this is a 2020 model, so this is only 4 years old, has a couple of thousand miles on it, so it doesn't have too much exposure to sunlight, I guess, but in the process of removing, because it's separating from the adhesive, the layers are separating, you could imagine what it would look like years down the road. So personally, if you're gonna drive your vehicle, if you don't want to keep the original stripes, if you're not opposed to switching them out, we definitely recommend going with the aftermarket stripe kit. You see how the layers are separating there? It looks like whoever manufactured these factory stripes, they printed on top of a clear film, and so that top layer is just separating from it. And again, you can see all the adhesive getting left behind. Alright, now before I finish removing the stripes, I have the front end already done. This vehicle here has paint protection film. You can see, once it focuses, you can see the film ends right here. Everybody has different ways of installing paint protection film. Here, we like to install paint protection film directly on the paint, so that way you don't have these hard lines. Now, the stripe kit that we're going to be installing is this aftermarket stripe, but it's OEM spec. It's by Qspek Vinyl. OEM spec meaning it retains the dimensions of the factory stripes, so it should fall nicely within these lines here on the cuts that were done for this paint protection film install here. So this 2020 GT350 is now complete. It's ready to go to its owner. Has a new stripe kit, overlays, all the different things that you've seen in this video are available through Qspek Vinyl. Please remember to check them out. Thanks for watching.